Hello Ken, this is a really quick video that I'm posting just to let you know that I did find a way to install WordPress directly on Windows with no need to install a virtual machine or Ubuntu like we did earlier, and I spent several hours working on it. It's not needed. I found out that all you need is to download this file right here, which I have put in my Google Drive, and I will send a link to you when we get on Zoom later. But all you need to do is download this file. Click on it and click yes. And I've already installed it, so it may act up, but I'll show you what it looks like. It'll come up and you say English, okay, and you say next, and you say next, and you say next, and mine will say the folder is not empty, because I already have it installed on this computer. But if I go back, basically what it'll do is it'll ask you for a username and a password, just like it did before when we pulled up the WordPress website. But this program will ask you for a username and a password, and then it will automatically set up everything for you, all the database or anything, so you don't have to go in there like I did and have to set everything up manually. And then to access it, all you have to do is open up your web browser, type in localhost /WordPress, and that will bring you up to the default Hello World website page. And then to get to the admin page to log in, you just need to go to that same URL followed by wp-admin in another tab, and then hit enter. And then my password that I set for this test instance is just admin with the password because this installer requires only alphanumeric characters and no symbols are allowed. So then you just log in, and it looks the same as it did on the Linux side of things. It's just a whole lot easier to install, and you don't have to worry about installing this piece of software and that piece of software. It's only one piece of software. And one more important thing to point out: if you go here to media and library and add new, you can see that the default maximum upload size limit is 40 megs as opposed to the 2 meg limit. So you'll be able to upload pretty much any pictures that you may have, and everything else works the same. If I go to add new plugin, I can go and type in Elementor, and I can install that just like we did before. And now if I go to install plugins, you see that I have it. And it works just the same as it did on the Linux. And you can install this on either one of your computers that you want to. The only difference is with this, since it's installed locally on your actual computer, not on a virtual machine that's connected to your router in the way that I did, you won't be able to access the web page from any computer, just that one computer that you install this app on. But you can install this app on 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 as many computers as you want to, and it'll work exactly the same way. And it's a whole lot easier to set up and install because you don't have to know any commands or anything. I'll send you the link to download it in Zoom when we get on later in chat. Thank you. See you tonight. Have a great day.